Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk a little bit about Thoreum Capital and their BNB 3x auto miner and how to earn three times of your total deposit with a 3% BNB daily. So you get 3% of your total deposit daily in this miner. You can see the contract. Deposit your BNB into the pool and earn back 300% with 3% daily return or 1095 APR. A total of 680 are in the contract deposited, more than 16 days working, uh, paying 2% per day, auto compound and claim if you have 4 BNB or more, and people have claimed 17.862 out of the 680 BNB. Well, I'm not counting 680 because they took out some BNB. I started with a small amount just to test it. It's working fine. I'm uh, already sold some. So guys, if you're interested in a new miner, this one's paying 3%. It's better to get in early. The group is quite nice. They're thinking on adding the Thorium Bank. If you're familiar with Libero, uh, there you could stake the LP for a fixed time and then you get additional rewards on the miner. They don't have the bank yet, but they're working towards it, and this is where you would see the bonus on your reward, or ex Libera holding bonus. If you wait up until the timer, you get a 2%. It starts as a 0.5, and as you keep compounding, it goes up. I like it quite a lot. Um, let's see a little bit of the white paper. Right here, document. All right. So you can see a little bit about the coins. Limited supply. Thorium B3 will become no more deflationary with aggressive burn of 25% every cell. This burn will quickly increase Thorium's scarcity due to a limited supply of 18.3 million tokens. So guys, with every cell, 25%. Okay, you get whenever you deposit BNB, what you're doing is you're creating a liquidity pool, and then whenever you get the rewards, you get them in liquidity pool, and then you sell your Thorium, and you have your BNB. 25% of that Thorium, it's burned. So the price, that's how they're keeping it stable. I think it's quite nice. And the other thing they have, per day, let me go back. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you with the white paper. There's a lot more, but if you guys want to read it, per day, win 1% of the total value locked, deposit price every day. So this is gonna help you guys be at the same rate as the other guys that started early in the miner. So with other miners, either whenever you get in, if there's people that started earlier, they're claiming a lot of rewards. With this, you could only have 3 times your reward. If you want more rewards, you can deposit your earnings or a little bit of your earnings, and then you can get 3 times that earning. So you can keep doing this as a loop. But I just think it's pretty nice, and with the things they have planned, I'm pretty sure this miner is gonna last at least up until they get their bank out and X Thorium. So guys, check it out. Use my link if you can, please. It'll help me out a little bit, and have a nice one. That's all for today.